So,
whatever. We're gonna be like fall when it should be, except it's like 2 weeks later.
This is fall.
Pumpkins when you're supposed to have
This
pumpkins.
is fall.
Pumpkins.
Fall.
Pumpkins in fall. Like at the real time of fall, not at the Hobby Lobby time.
No, this is not Hobby Lobby fall because we're at like Hobby Lobby Christmas. We're probably at Hobby Lobby
Christmas is on sale.
Valentine's Day now.
I know.
No, fall. Right now.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we're crafting with box 923.
We sure are. So it's getting very seasonal here. We are excited about that.
Yeah.
We're taking something that you can buy that's cute. We're making it cuter, totally cuter.
Who wants to have a plastic pumpkin sitting on their...
A pumpkin?
A pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
We're playing with pumpkins today.
Pumpkin. So we're upgrading today.
Yeah.
A little bit of an opportunity to personalize it by color. I'm not going to give away too much.
Well, why don't we go ahead and get started?
Let's go. Let's get started.
All right. That doesn't say paper, does it? Sabotaged you.
Step one. I'm gonna grab these.
Should we move the fabric?
Yeah. And we just have this and this. So the first thing we're gonna do is cut this out so we can stuff it.
You just kind of start with the circle.
Yep. It doesn't have to be totally round because if you think about the fact that we're stuffing fabric into it, just be careful. My finger slices. It's pretty easy to pop out.
Fun to make a mess.
Mm-hmm. So we are going to use hot glue as we wrap. You can also use super glue, which is what we're going to include in the box, but we will do a glue gun as an add-on. So you can do that. Either works just fine. Okay. Fabric.
Ooh, which I'm going to do that side out.
Okay, so yeah, I think I'm not going to do the shiny side. So this is your good side. Stay there. Centered.
Centered.
Centered. Basically, we are just going to start to wrap. You might have to wrap and unwrap to kind of get some of the little shorter edges in, but it is all going to stuff down into that hole. Yes. Looks great.
All right. Can't hold on to anything. All right.
Okay. I find it easier to kind of do it on my finger first.
Okay.
It's memory wire, so it's pretty easy.
It is very easy.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, very moldable.
Mm-hmm. You want it to be kind of wonky. They're not exact, right? And then it should just then kind of wrap around. That's it.